So I'm gonna show you today how to make your Nerf guns more realistic. So you're going to need a Nerf gun. You're gonna need a Nerf dart. You're gonna need a bowl. You won't really need a spoon. I just wanted to use a spoon. And you're gonna need flour. Oh no. I got it on the phone. Okay, so get the Nerf dart, put it in the bowl of flour, not always flour, it's just some sort of white powder, or black, whatever colour you've got. Cover it in. The hole where the Nerf dart is, the hole through it, you put the flour through the hole. And then you'll put it in quickly, safely, and hopefully it won't leak out. I'll show you. This is how it shoots. Okay. How am I going to be able to do this? What am I going to You see, you get, it's got a little, and the more you cover it, the more better it gets. I'm back. Alright. Oh, that's the big bottle. Wow. Alright. You're going to need the bowl, and you're going to need the bullet. So, you grab the bullet, you go, Stop, please. Hey, I'll just put you down because it's way easier with the spoon, but I need 2 hands to work a spoon. Crap, I got it on the phone again. Ah!
You're going to get flour on that phone, are you?
A little bit, yeah. Oh, I'm trying not to. And now you've got the gun. Alright, let's show you one more time. Alright, let's maybe... Three, 2, 1. Oh! I need to load it. Oh, that's better. Your mum is. Sorry. There. Simple as that. Goodbye, and this is Lego Legend.